160 homes sold in Grey County in May. That's the biggest single month of 2026. And it happened while prices looked like they dropped. Here's the real story and what it means if you're thinking about buying, selling, or investing in Grey County right now. Hi, I'm Karen Cox, the broker of record at C&Ski Realty, and this is your Grey County real estate market update for May 2026. May had some numbers that need context to understand properly, so let's get into it. Let's start with the good news because there's a lot of it. In May, 160 homes sold across Grey County. That's up 35% from April and up 10% from May last year. It's the highest monthly total of 2026. There were 532 active listings on the market. That's up 17% from April and essentially matching May of 2025. Homes sold in 52 days on average, the fastest pace of the year. Now, the average price came in at $807,000, and I want to address that directly because it looks lower than May's 2025 of $948,000. And here's the context. May 2025 was the highest priced single month of that entire year. It was an outliner, driven by a cluster of premium transactions that month. When you look at the full 2026 arc from January through to May, pricing is steady and healthy. This isn't a price problem. This is a normal market doing normal things. If you're a buyer, May's numbers are telling you two things at the same time. First, you still have a real choice. 532 listings and 8.4 months of inventory means you're not walking into a bidding war on every property, especially in Blue Mountains where there's 284 active listings and a 9.9% absorption rate, giving you genuine negotiating power. But secondly, the pace is building. 160 sales in 1 month is a signal. West Grey and Grey Highlands are both showing absorption rates above 18%. That's tight, and if you've been watching those areas, don't wait too long. For sellers, May is exactly the market you've been waiting for. Buyers are active. They're motivated and they're making decisions quickly. Homes are selling in 52 days. The sellers succeeding right now are the ones who show up priced correctly from day one, with their home well prepared and strong marketing behind them. If you've been thinking about listing this summer, the window is open, but summer markets in Grey County move, and the sellers who list in June and July tend to do better than those who wait until fall. For investors, two areas stand out clearly this month. First is West Grey. It had 20 sales and prices were up 33.5% year over year. It's still accessible and it's still offering value. And then there's Grey Highlands that had 17 sales, the best month of the year. Prices were up 26% year over year. Absorption rate was above 18%. These are not speculative bets. These are markets where real buyers are making real transactions at meaningful higher prices than a year ago. If you've been watching them, now is a very good time to act. I've been watching spring arrive in Grey County for a long time. May 2026 is the kind of month that tells you the market has real health underneath it. The activity is there, the buyers are there, and the opportunity is real for anyone who approaches it with a clear strategy. Click the link below to sign up for our free monthly Grey County Market Report delivered straight to your inbox. And if you found this helpful, please subscribe. I'm Karen Cox with C&Ski Realty, and I'll see you next month.